Good day, babies! Welcome back to Baby Math Notes. You might try to learn mathematics with the aid of this channel. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for our new notes. Our topic for today is all about variation. Pag narinig natin ang salitang variation, ano ang unang pumapasok sa isip natin? Pagkakaiba-iba, kaibahan, variasyon, o pagbabago. So we can define variation as any change in some quantity due to change in another. Then, as we go along in the discussion, we are going to encounter constant of variation. Ano po ba ang constant of variation? So, this is the number that relates two variables that are directly proportional or inversely proportional to one another. It is represented by letter K in the equation. So, mamaya, malalaman natin kung saan ba ginagamit ang constant of variation. So, let us start discussing direct variation. So, sa video na ito, magbibigay tayo ng maraming examples. Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng direct variation? So, from the word itself, direct, direkta. So, it is a type of proportionality wherein one quantity directly varies with respect to a change in another quantity. This implies that if there is an increase in one quantity, then the other quantity will experience a proportionate increase. So similarly, if one quantity decreases, then the other quantity also decreases. In dealing with direct variation, remember the following notes. There is direct variation whenever a situation produces pairs of numbers in which their ratio is constant. The statements y varies directly as x, y is directly proportional to x, and is proportional to x. It may be translated mathematically as y is equal to kx, where k is the constant of variation. Then for two quantities, x and y, an increase in x causes an increase in y as well. Similarly, a decrease in x causes a decrease in y. So let us solve this problem. Step number 1, express the statement y varies directly as x into its mathematical equation. Step number 2, solve for k by substituting the given values in the equation. So we are going to substitute what is the values given. So the value of y here is 18. So pag magsasubstitute tayo, itong y, papalitan lang natin yan ng kung ano yung value niya. So since y is equal to 18, lagay mo yun dyan sa left side kasi nandun si y. And then, x is equal to 3. So itong x na yan, palitan mo lang ng 3. Para makuha mo yung value ng k, siya na lang yung natitira na variable. Okay? So, yun yung hahanapin natin. So, 18 is equal to k times 3. So, therefore, 18 is equal to 3k. Right? Now, we are going to divide both sides by 3 since yung 3 ang kasama ni k. Kailangan si k na lang ang matira dyan. Yun ang goal natin. Pero kapag dinivide natin ito ng 3, kailangan i-divide natin yun dun sa kabilang side. Okay? So, 18 divided by 3 is 6. So, therefore, 6 is equal to k or k is equal to 6. Therefore, the constant of variation is 6. Now, step number 3. Form the equation of the variation by substituting 6 in the statement. So, ito yung mathematical equation natin. Para makuha natin ang equation of variation, yung k na yan, masubstitute lang tayo dyan ng value ng k na nakuha natin. So, magiging y is equal to 6x. Thus, the equation of variation is y is equal to 6x. And we have solved the problem since we are asked to find the constant of variation and also the equation of variation. So, nandito na yung constant of variation natin, 6. So, check na ito. And then, yung equation of variation natin is y is equal to 6x. So, check na yan. So, let us have example number 2. If y varies directly as x, and y is equal to 6 when x is equal to 3, find the constant of variation and the value of y when x is equal to 5. Step number 1, express the statement y varies directly as x into its mathematical equation. Step number 2, solve for k by substituting the given values in the equation. So we are going to solve for k. That's why we need to substitute the given values. So for y is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. So therefore, it will become what? 6 is equal to 3k. And then we are going to divide both sides by 3 para k na lang yung matira dito sa right side. So therefore, 2 is equal to k or k is equal to 2 since 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, the constant of variation is 2. Now, step number 3, use the value of k to solve for the value of y. Since meron pa ditong isang tinanong na the value of y. So, we are going to find the value of y when x is equal to 5. So, madali na yan masagutan kapag alam natin ang constant of variation. So, yung nakuha natin na value ng k, isa-substitute lang natin yan sa ating mathematical equation. And then, isa-substitute na rin natin yung 5 kasi tinatanong niya kung ano daw yung value ng y kapag ang x mo ay 5. So, ayan, substitution lang. Therefore, our y is equal to 10. Now, let us have example number 3. So, this is the application of direct variation in real life. So, the cost per kilograms of carrots varies directly as its weight in kilograms. How much money do you need to buy 6 kilograms of carrots if 4 kilograms cost 720 pesos? So, these are the solution. Step number 1, we are going to assign a variable that will represent the quantities that are related. Ano ba yung pinag-uusapan? So, we have the cost of carrots and we are going to use C. And for the weight of carrots, we will use W. Ayan, kailangan muna natin gumawa ng mathematical equation. Step number 2, we are going to solve for k by substituting the given values in the equation. So, kung ano yung bagong, yung unang binigay, katulad nito, the cost per kilograms of carrots, ang una niyang binigay. So, C yung una nating ilalagay dito sa kaliwa. And then, pag sinabi nating varies directly, since meron tayo ditong K, laging katabi yun ng K, yung sunod na quantity na sinabi. Since direct variation yung pinag-uusapan natin, okay? Now, this is our working mathematical equation. And the given are, ang sabi dito, kapag 4 kilograms daw, ang halaga daw niya ay 720 pesos. So, we are going to substitute to our mathematical equation. So, 720 pesos yung 4 kilos na carrots. Now, let us solve for k by dividing both sides by 4. Okay. So, ang matitira na lang dito is k, and then ito, you are going to divide 720 divided by 4. And the answer is 180. So, this means that for every kilogram of carrots, the cost is 180 pesos. But we are not yet done kasi ang tinatanong, how much money do you need to buy 6 kilograms? Magkano kaya ang halaga ng 6 na kilo ng carrots? So, step number 3, we are going to use again the mathematical equation and we are going to substitute the value of k and the number which is 6 kilograms in the equation. So, 6 kilograms yung given, hahanapin natin kung magkano yung halaga nun by simply using our mathematical equation. So, let us substitute the value of k which is 180 and also yung given natin na kilograms or yung W natin. Ayan. So, 180 times 6 is 1,080. So, therefore, the cost of 6 kilograms carrots is 1,080 pesos. Try to answer this. Number 1, the answer is letter B. Number 2, the correct answer is letter A. Number 3, the correct answer is letter C. Very good. And number 4, the correct answer is letter D. Great job, babies! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated for our new notes. See you on our next Baby Month notes.